Hello AUTOsist fans. This is a short tutorial video showing you how to use the AUTOsist mobile app. This is on a iOS device. You can download it also for Android on the Android Google Play Store as well as the Apple iOS Play Store. So just search in for AUTOsist, and that's spelled AUTOsist, and you can download it. And this will be the first screen that shows up after you've downloaded it. If you have not created your account yet, you would need to sign up for a free account first based on the email that your administrator assigned the vehicles or folders to you for. So you want to click sign up free. And then if you are a fleet driver and user, you want to go ahead and hit that middle option and hit click to join. And this is where you would type in your email twice and create a password and hit sign up. This is the very first step that must be completed in order for you to see the vehicles that were assigned to you. If you've already created your account, you can just click in log in here, and you will just type in your email and password that was that you have created. And basically, once you log in, you will then be able to see all the vehicles or assets that were assigned to you. In this demo, there's 3 vehicles here that are assigned. You can easily search. So for example, if you want to search for the test car, you can type in test or a specific unit or whatever it may be, and you'd be able to pull that up. So let's just use the test car for this example. So if I search test, I can then click into it. So the garage is where all your vehicles will be listed, and then after you click into a vehicle, you will then open up to that specific vehicle and see all the different sections. So at the bottom here, you have service, fuel, reminders. If you click on more, glove box notes, inspections, and trip log. The service section is where you want to put all your completed maintenance records. Just click the plus button. Things like oil changes, it'll remember your history, and you can take a picture of the receipt. If you click on add attachments, you can actually use your phone camera or gallery to take a picture of the receipt and attach it if required, and then you can go on and fill out the necessary fields and hit save. So once you hit save, it will then save a record into that section for that oil change. Again, if you go back to the garage, you can go into any of the vehicles that you want. You can go back to test car, go back to service, and then you'll see that oil change. Same concept in fuel. You can attach fuel records. Just click the plus button and you can input your fuel data. You can set up different reminders and work orders here. If you click the plus button, you can put something along the lines of oil change, or if something more urgent. This is something you want to discuss with your administrator or whoever is managing your guys' account. You can figure out what types of things you want to put there. You can set it by date, odometer, set recurring intervals, put priority levels, and hit save. So this is where you would set up different reminders and work orders. You also have the glove box. This is where, depending on your administrator, different documents, insurance, registration, things like that. Again, please discuss with your administrator on what things to be looking for here. You have a notes section, pretty self-explanatory. Any notes of the vehicles will show up here. The inspections feature is something you will probably use quite a bit. This is where you can submit the inspection form. If you click the plus button, depending on how many forms you have assigned to your account, you may be able to select different forms, and you would be able to fill out the inspection based on the requirements of your company. You could put the title, the date and time is pre-populated. You could put the odometer and your name as who was it inspected by, and you'll be able to mark things yes or no based on the requirements. You can also hit this button for comments. And you can also take a picture for each line item as well by hitting the camera icon here. And again, you'll be able to take a picture or upload it from your gallery. And if you scroll down, you can then go ahead and fill out all the different items here. And you can electronically sign here at the bottom, and then either save it as a draft or submit it. And then once it's submitted, it will show up as a completed inspection. So those are all the core areas. You also have a trip log here. Depending on your company, you may or may not use that, but this is where you can record your beginning and ending odometer based on, again, requirements of your company. So please check with your administrator. But these are all the core areas of where you will be inputting data and how to use the application. If you ever want to go back to the garage, just hit garage, and then again, you'll come to your list of vehicles. You may also see folders of vehicles here as well. So depending on what's assigned to you, you can see all these different things. If you click this menu icon in the top left, a lot of these are just for administrators, but you have a settings area where you can see which app version you have, some FAQs and things like that. You can contact support, enable Touch ID or Face ID, and basically see all the settings that you have. But those are basically the core areas for the mobile app. We also have a web portal you can access, which synchronizes with the app. So if you prefer using a computer, you can as well. But this is basically a quick overview of how the app works. Again, you can download it on the Apple App Store or on the Google Play Store. It will work for both iOS and Android devices. And if you have any questions, you can always reach support at AUTOsist.com. Again, support at AUTOsist.com. Thank you so much for watching the video, and we hope that you find a lot of use out of our application. Thank you so much. Have a great day.